What's going on, guys? It's Nando back with one more video, and thanks for stopping by. We got another unboxing. Yeah, I've already got it in my hands because I couldn't resist the temptation, and I've already been using it. However, I can still show you what comes in the box and how the setup looks. So let's get right to it. All right, so here's the box, guys. Huawei P20 Pro. Now, this is a type of phone that you cannot get from a brick and mortar store in the United States. You can't roll up in your carrier from Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, Boost Mobile, you name it. You can't find it in store. You can't find it at Best Buy, and Amazon will sell it with third parties overseas. So if you're going to be interested in purchasing this phone, I'll link it in the description. It's going to be to Amazon. Just got to kind of go around and see which one has the best reviews and which one is going to get you this the fastest. So I've been super excited for this because all the specs check out for me. All the specs seem like this is the phone to get. Camera wise, battery size wise, hardware wise, this seems to be the phone. I will get to things to consider, like I always do, likes, dislikes, final review, battery life review in future videos. But for this video, let me just show you what comes in a box, and we'll look at the hardware of the phone real quick. So let me go ahead and open this. And I apologize, guys, if this is not your typical unboxing because I already opened it. But yeah, phone would go in there. We've got a SIM ejector tool. Now what's cool, and I've said this in previous videos, Huawei always includes a screen protector on the phone and then like a basic case. So here's your basic case. I didn't even open it because I already have one from Amazon, but you do have a basic clear case inside. Then you've got some earbuds, pretty much look like Apple AirPods, US Type-C, because the phone itself does not have a headphone jack. So you're not going to have that headphone jack. However, you don't need an adapter because this connects via USB Type-C automatically. Now, one of the things that I love about Huawei the most is that not only do they tend to have big batteries, but they tend to have one of the fastest, if not the fastest, charging. This is the proprietary USB Type-C on both. Actually, hold on a minute. USB Type-C on one end and regular Type-A on one end. However, this is a supercharged power brick. I don't know what the watts on this thing is. Whatever. However, it charges the fastest amongst all the phones I've used. This is even faster than OnePlus's dash charging. Easily blows out of the water the iPhone chargers, whether that's an iPad or even a MacBook adapter style charger. Samsung's, LG's, you name it. Huawei has the fastest charging. Now, to the phone, guys, to the phone. So here's the phone. Here's a slim little case that I have on the phone. Look at how beautiful this thing is. Look at this. And I apologize for some bird chirps. I'm here at a golf course, so I'm doing this on one of the little picnic tables. But look at that hardware, man. Beautiful. And as you guys can see, already comes with a screen protector installed. So this is the P20 Pro. There's a P20 Lite, I believe. There's a regular P20, and then there's a P20 Pro. Look at that 3-lens setup. Super dope camera. This is the blue edition phone, so it kind of changes blue hues, I guess, depending on how the light hits it. It is so beautiful. And guys, 4,000 milliamp hour battery in this phone that, honestly, I don't have my iPhone X on me. If I did, I'd love to put it side by side because I don't think this phone, in terms of thickness, is any thicker than the iPhone X. And the iPhone X, obviously, smaller device, but it doesn't even get close to the size of battery this has inside of it. So for all you phone manufacturers out there, I know you can include a fatter and bigger battery in your phones because your phones aren't even that thin that warrant such a small battery. All right, Samsung, I know that you've had your little issues in the past. You're scared to go back that route. However, Huawei, thank you so much for dropping a 4,000 milliamp hour battery in here. So far, it's lived up to the hype, lived up to the expectation. I absolutely love this phone. Here's a quick little example of how dope this is. So that's 3x zoom, that's 5x zoom, and then it'll actually grab focus. So look at that. It'll still grab focus at 5x zoom. So dope. So stay tuned, guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will definitely cover a lot of what this phone has to offer, what I like, what I don't like, and things like that. Like always, I appreciate you guys stopping by. The most important thing, if you already have been to my channel before, is to stay geeky. If you're new, When you're done watching this video, stay even geekier. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, salute, and adios.